Hello children, welcome back to our next session of mathematics. We were in chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. I hope you all started studying and enjoying all the online sessions, children. So whatever sums we are taking over here, please practice it once again so that the concept will be more clear, right? So let us start with our today's session, children. We were in exercise 2.4 and we are going to start with question number 10. So let us begin. Yeah, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Now we don't know son's age, right? So let us take son's age as x, and so Aman's age will be 3 times his son's age. That means 3x. I hope you understood this. So let us move further. 10 years ago he was. Now he was means Aman was, right? 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Now 10 years ago means, children, this was Aman's present age, right? 10 years ago means minus 10. Right, 10 years he was younger, so we will subtract 10 here, right? So 3x minus 10 years, and then he was 5 times his son's age. This was equal to 5 times his son's age. Now what is son's age? X. But are we going to take x? No. Why? 10 years ago we are talking about. So ultimately father will be also 10 years less, as son will be also 10 years less. So here we will take x minus 10. I hope this equation is clear, children. That is, before 10 years, Aman was 3x minus 10, and also he was equal to 5 times son's age. What is son's age? X minus 10. Why minus 10? Because we are talking 10 years before, right? So obviously father will be also 10 years less and son will be also 10 years less. Now once you get the equation, solve the equation. Here you can see bracket is there. First we will open the bracket and then stepwise we will solve. So let us see, children. Yeah, now you can see here, let the present age of Aman's son be x years. Therefore Aman's age will be equal to 3x years. According to the question, 3x minus 10, that is 10 years back, Aman is equal to 5 times his son's age. Now here this is son's age. 5 times means multiplied by 5. Why x minus 10? Because we are talking about 10 years before. Now next one again. So 3x minus 10 will be equal to, now we are opening the bracket, 5 multiplied by x will be 5x, and 5 multiplied by negative 10 will be negative 50, that is minus 50. Now once we got this bracket open and get it simplified, now what we are going to do next step is bring all the terms with the variables to one side and constants to the other side. So here we are shifting 5x to the left hand side and 10 to the right hand side. So this left hand side becomes 3x minus 5x. There the positive 5x, when we transport it, it becomes negative. So 3x minus 5x equal to this negative 10. When we shift it towards this side, it becomes positive 10. So here it is 50 plus 10. Alright, children, I hope you understood all the steps. So next one is 3x minus 5x is equal to negative 2x. Why negative 2x? Because 3 minus 5 it is, right? Therefore it is negative 2x equal to 50 plus minus 50 plus 10 will be equal to minus 40. And now here you can see in this step only negative 2 is present with the x. It is in multiplication form, that is 2x. When we transport this 2 to the right hand side, it goes in division. So it will be along with the sign, children. This is very important. So x is equal to negative 40 as it is, divided by negative 2. So negative negative gets cancelled over here, children, and 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20 years. So once we get x, so we have already considered x as son's present age. So here we can write the answer, son's present age is 20 years. And what we have taken for Aman, it was 3 times x, right? So 3 into x is 20. So 3 into 20 will be 60 years. That is, Aman is 60 years present age and son's present age is 20 years. I hope now you people understood all such type of sums, how to form an equation. So forming an equation is very important, children. Once you form the equation, then later on you can solve it. So let us begin with our next sum. That is our last sum of this exercise. That is question number 7 was remaining, children. So let us start. Yeah. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform. So shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter. Now this is material, children. For shirt, it cost him 50 rupees per meter. Now this is per meter, not the total cost, right? So suppose I write here 50 per meter, right? And the trouser material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. So let us see, this is 90 per meter. This is the cost per meter of the cloth of the trouser and cloth of the shirt. Now next one, it says that, yeah, for every 2 meter of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of a shirt material. So suppose I take shirt is to trouser, the ratio, it will be, shirt will be 3 meters and trouser will be 2 meters. So should I write here 3x is to 2x will be my ratio for shirt material to the trouser material. So now here the ratio is given. Can I find the total cost? That is, total cost for shirt will be now 3x into cost of per meter, that is 50, and for trouser it will be 2x into 90. All right, your handwriting is very bad, children. Manage it. So once again I'll write here. So for trouser it will be, how much is the trouser, shirt, it will be, I'll write here 3x multiplied by shirt material is 50 rupees per meter. So this will be the total cost. And for trouser it will be 2x multiplied by 90, because 90 rupees per meter is the cost. So once you get the total cost, then let us move ahead. What it says, he sells the material 12% and 10% profit respectively. So you have here profit percent, so 12% for shirt and 10% for profit. Now you have profit percent, you have cost price, so we can easily find the selling price using the formulas. Now here, children, it is very important to know the basic knowledge what you have earlier studied. You have already learned what is selling price, cost price, profit percent, loss percent formula, everything. So once you just by heart all these formulas which you have learned, right? You should know basically. Now let us move ahead. So let us find first selling price and then we can substitute, and his total sale was 36,660. So once we get the selling price of shirt material, once we get the selling price of trouser material, we can have an equation that x plus y will be equal to 36,660, and then we can find the value of the x, whatever it is, right? So let us begin with our solution. Yeah. So let the ratio between the shirt and trouser be 3x is to 2x. Cost of shirt material will be, as I said, per meter, here is per meter is given 50 rupees per meter. So 50 into 3x will be 150x. This is the cost of the shirt material, children. Now let us move ahead. So here now the selling price at 12% gain. So what is the formula? 100 plus profit percent whole divided by 100 multiplied by CP. CP is cost price. So let us substitute whatever we have. We have profit percent, that is 12. We just now got our CP, that is 150x. So after substituting the values, in the numerator 100 plus 12 will be 112, divide by 100 multiplied by 150x as it is. Now further solving, you can do the cancellation, you can do multiplication and then divide. So whichever method you want, you can solve, children. So after simplification, we get 168x. So this 168x is the selling price of shirt. This is for shirt material, right? Now let us move towards the trouser material. Cost price will be obviously 2x multiplied by 90. Why 90? 90 was the per meter rate, right, for trouser material. So here you can see 90 into 2x will be equal to 180x. Now similarly, how we have done here with using the formula, like that we will find the selling price of the trouser material at the gain of 10%. So selling price at 10% gain will be equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. That is 100 plus profit percent is given 10%. So here 10 whole divided by 100 multiplied by CP. How much we got here? 180x. Now this, after solving, children, you can see here 100 plus 10 will be in the numerator 110 whole divided by 100 multiplied by 180x. After solving this, you will get 198x. So now we have selling price of our shirt material. I'll highlight only that part. We have selling price of our shirt material. We have selling price of our trouser material. Now if we add both the selling material price, how much is the price we are getting? 36,660, right? It was given in the question. Now let us see that. Yeah, see here 168x, that is the selling price of the shirt material, plus 198x, that is the selling price of the trouser material, is equal to 36,600. Sorry. So now when we add this 168 and 198, we get 366. So 366 x is equal to 36,600. Now this is an equation. After this, you know how to find the value of x. Whatever constants are present with the variable, one by one shift it to the other side and find the value. So here only 366 is present with x. When I transport it to the other side, now it is in multiplication form. When I transport it, it goes to the division. So here x is equal to 36,600 divided by 366, which is nothing but equal to 100 meters. Now x was the trouser material. Now we have the ratio here. Shirt was 3x and the trouser material was 2x. So they have asked only the trouser material in the question. So we will say now the trouser material is equal to 2x, and that 2 into x is nothing but 100, which we have just now got it. So 2 into 100 will be 200 meters. Hence Hassan bought 200 meters of trouser material. So this is very important question. Stepwise you should go once again and try to solve by your own children, right? So that's it. We will end up here today, and we have completed with our 2.4 exercise. So in the next session, we will continue with 2.5 exercise. Till then, bye bye. See you.